Well, good morning. Nice sunny day here in Ilkley. Today I'm working on this dull and dirty patio, and by the time I've finished with it, it's going to look like the very first day it was laid. My name's Paul Driver. I'm a specialist in exterior cleaning and restoration services, and I'm also the owner of JetReady. Today I'm working on this beautiful end of terrace house with lots of outdoor space. I'm going to be attending to all of the paved areas in and around the garden. Most of the paving is Indian sandstone, but we've also got this small area of crazy paving which is made up of York stone. Very soft, very porous, very difficult to clean. As we walk down to the garden, first we've got these steps. These will be a bit slippery when wet, before the area opens up into this lovely garden patio. We've got a decorative stone circle here and quite a few shady areas as well. The Indian sandstone slabs have got quite a lot of black spot. That's these black speckles that you can see on the surface. Black lichen, of course, quite difficult to clean, and we'll probably have to put some products down to dissolve those away. And the York stone crazy paving, much more susceptible to staining. Lots of lichens, black spot, mould, funguses, you name it. So with this job, the customers asked me to do as much as I can in half a day. There's quite a lot to go at, so let's get started. Right, we're all finished, all packed up. I've got to say that's come up looking really well. A bit of a panic at one point. I thought I was going to run out of the product that we put down to dissolve the black lichen. That was why I was putting it on manually instead of using my X-Jet machine. But there was just enough to get the job done to a good standard. I'm very pleased. Right, got a couple of measures and a couple of quotes to do this afternoon, so off we go.